So how can you make Travelboast videos? Today in this video I'll show you exactly that, so follow up with me. First open the Travelboast app and then tap on the start point in the top left corner. From here search for the location that you want the video to start from, and then tap on destination and search for the destination location just like that. After that you can edit the pathway by tapping on the line right here and maybe drag it up or down and tap and hold on the beginning point to change the vehicle. You can tap on the airplane or any vehicle and choose the color from this list that pops up, and then go back to the main screen. From here you can tap on this play button to play your video. You can even change some things like the video length and the model or the vehicle size. After that there is some other things that you can do. Maybe you want to edit the aspect ratio depending on the social media app that you want to post it in, if you want to post it, and you can even show the mileage or the kilometers of the distance if you wish. You can save the video by tapping here and it will be in your gallery. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.